Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain how to calculate empirical and molecular formula. Let us see the problem, that is evaluate 42. Calculate the empirical and molecular formula of a compound containing 76.6% carbon, 6.38% hydrogen and rest oxygen. Its vapor density is 47. Okay, what is given in the question? Carbon percentage and hydrogen percentage is given. Carbon percentage is 76.6%, hydrogen is 6.38%. Rest of oxygen. So overall percentage mean 100. So rest of percentage mean first we add carbon and hydrogen, that is 82.98 only. So we subtract from 100. So 100 minus 82.98. We get 17.02. So that is the percentage of oxygen. And then we apply these values in the table. Let us see the table. So first element, then percentage, then atomic mass, after that relative number of atoms, and then simple ratio, and last one is whole number. Okay. So first, what is given in the question? Carbon is 76.6%, hydrogen 6.38%, and oxygen is 17.02%. And next one, atomic mass. Already we know that some elements atomic mass. So carbon atomic mass is 12. So here you write the atomic mass of carbon is 12. And then hydrogen atomic mass is 1. So here 1. And oxygen atomic mass is 16. So here 16. And next column is relative number of atoms. So relative number of atoms mean percentage divided by atomic mass. So here what is the percentage? 76.6 divided by 12. And next one here 6.38 divided by 1. And next one 17.02 divided by 16. So these are the relative number of atoms. So after that we simplify this one. So cancel this term 6 times. 2 table you have taken means 6 times. 3 2s are 6, 8 2s are 16 and 3 times. And next one again you have taken this one 3 2s are 6. So 1. So here 9 times, here 1 and then 5. And again 3 table you have taken means 3. So here 6 and remaining 1, so 3 and remaining 2, so 8 times. So here relative number of atom is 6.38. So here also 6.38. And then next calculate this one, simplify this one. 8 2s are 16. So here also 8 2s are 16, 5 2s are 10 and 1 10. And next one 1 8s are, so here also 1 8s are and 0 51. So 51 means 6 times up to etc. So 1.06. So this is the relative number of atoms. And then simple ratio. So simple ratio means which quotient is very small. So that is the simple ratio. So here 1.06 is the very low quotient. So here take on this one. So here answer is 6.38 divided by 1.06. So here also 6.38 divided by 1.06. And next one 1.06 divided by 1.06. So after that we take log. So okay, now I am going to explain how to take log. So first page log is present and second page anti-log is present here. So first how to take log? See this number, for example 6.38. So number and log. So here 6.38 and denominator is 1.06. Okay. Here number and log 6.38 and 1.06. First we see before the point how many digit is present. So here only one digit is present. Only one digit present means we take 0 point. Suppose before the point 2 digits are present mean, 2 digits are present mean we take 1 point. Suppose before the point 3 digits are present mean, 3 digits is present mean 2 point. Suppose before the point 4 digits are present mean you are taken 3 point. So that is the first step. Okay. So here only 1 point is present. So here you take 0 point. And after that first we take 2 digits and then 1 digit. So here totally 3 digits only present here. So first we take 2 digits. For example, we see 63 and value is 8. So see, take your log book and take logarithm. And here first 2 digit is 63. So here 63 are taken here. 63 and see what is the value for 8. So here 8, that is 8048. So 8048. And next one 1.06. So 1 digit only present here. So 0 point, 1 digit means 0 point. So 0 point, here you take first 2 digit is 10 and then 6. So 10 and 6. See here 10 and 6 value is 0253. So here 0253. Here 6.38 divided by 1.06. In logarithm, divided by mean you subtract the values. Suppose multiplied by mean you add that values. So here divided by, so subtract these values. 0.8048 minus 0.253. So 8 minus 3, 5. So here 14 minus 5, 9. So here 9 minus 2, 7. So here also 7. Here 0. So 0.7795. So this is the log values only. And then we see anti-log values. See here, take a next page, that is for anti-log. Here 0.7795. So here see 0.00, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03 up to etc. So we want 0.77. So we are taken first 2 digits and then 1 digit. So last one is the mean value. Fourth digits are the mean value. So 0.77 mean, see here 0.77 and see ninth one. So in 0.77, see the ninth one, that is 6012. So 6012 and mean value is 5. So that is the mean differences. So that is 5. See here in 5 value is 7. So here 7. Add this term 9106. So this is the answer 6019. Then where I put the point? Suppose here see the answer, log answers. Before the point 0 is present mean from the beginning you put 1 digit. Suppose here 1 point is present mean from the beginning, so you put the point away from the 2 points. For example, 1 point here present mean 60 point. Here 2 point, before the point 2 is present mean from the beginning 3 points, 601.9, that is the answer. So suppose here before the point 4 is present mean from the beginning, after the 6019 and some other values, after that you put the point. Suppose here 0 point only present, so 0 point mean from the beginning 1 point. 1 point present mean from the beginning 2 point. 2 point present mean from the beginning 3 point. 3 point present mean from the beginning 4 point. So here 0 point only present. So answer is 6.019. So this is anti-log. So answer is 6.019. So same thing. So here also 6.38 divided by 1.06. So no need to find again the log value. Same answer only. That is 6.019. So here cancel this one 1.06 and 1.06. So we get 1. And next one, whole number. So whole number means after the point 5 and above present means we add one number. So here only 6.0 only, not 5 and above after the point. So here the whole number is 6. And next one also 6.0 only present. So here the whole number also 0. So after the point 5 and above present means, for example 6.5 means here 7. 6.6 means the whole number is 7. So here 6.0 only present. So the whole number is 6. And next one, so here only 1. So here the answer is 1. Okay. And then what is the empirical formula for this compound? CHO. So the empirical formula is carbon answer is 6 and hydrogen answer also 6 and then oxygen answer is 1. So the empirical formula for this compound is C6H6O. So this is the empirical formula. And let us see the molecular formula. Here empirical formula is C6H6O. And then we calculate the molecular formula. So molecular formula N is equal to molar mass divided by calculator empirical formula mass. Molar mass has another one formula, so that is 2 into vapor density. Divided by calculator empirical formula mass. So here empirical formula is C6H6O. So here first we calculate the formula mass. Carbon 6 times, so 6 into 12. And hydrogen 6 times, so 6 into 1. And oxygen only 1 times, so 1 into 16. So 6 12s are 72. So here 1 6 times and here 16 times. So here 6 plus 6 12, 14, 4, balance 1, 8 plus 1, 94. So this is the calculator empirical formula mass. So divided by 94. Okay. What is given in the question? Vapor density is given. That vapor density is 47. So apply the vapor density is here. So 2 into vapor density is 47 divided by 94. So cancel this. So here 2 times. So here also cancel. So the value is 1. So N value is 1. So and then molecular formula. So molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula. What is N? That is 1 into empirical formula, that is C6H6O. Multiply this one, C6H6O only. So this is the molecular formula. So that's all for empirical formula and molecular formula. Thank you, students.